Alright guys, we're running this for Ryan Gill. Got the Christmas Raz here at 11:30 a.m. We are going to type live. We are live. 11:30. 11:30. Grab a list. 22 spots. And we will drop that into random. 22 entries, Dan on the top and the bottom. Alright guys, 2 dice, 5 or higher. 3, it's not high enough. We're going to roll 2 dice again. And 7, that's good. 7 times. Here we go. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice is a 7. Next click. Top spot. Good luck. And 7. Congrats, Joe Bull. Spot number 7. You are the winner. Get in touch with Mr. Gill. He will get that for you. We are done. 11:31. Go back to the post. We will type done. We are done. 11:31. 11:31. Verification and timestamp.